varies its focal length in response to change in the versions of light. This also the eye's ability to focus clearly on objects at different distances. At alam naman natin, regardless of whether or not ang patient natin ay bata or maganda, cherry or magandang cherry naman yan, or may pathology, we have several types of accommodation and testing. We have our subjective and objective assessments. For these subjective assessments, you have your push-up, pull-away method, and minus-lens method. Wherein si push-up is more or less just your NPA. For pull-away, that is the opposite of our push-up test. For minus-lens method, this could be our similar rather to your AOA na test. For objective, we have our dynamic retinoscopy. So let us go by it one by one, but this is again just a short review on our accommodation and refraction ng mga tests. Because this, again, is something na hindi naman bago sa inyo, knowing well na kayo ay napasa sa optogram at refraction. So for push-up method or Lunder's method, this is done by moving a test object closer to the eyes. Opposite to that is your pull-away method, done by moving the test object farther to your eyes. For the minus-lens method, done by placing minus lens in front of the eyes, subjects were asked to fixate on the 20/20 row as in your reduced Snellen at 20 inches. Then in 0.25 diopter steps, you add minus lens on top to the previously determined subjective refraction until the letters became and remained blurred. Ano ang difference ng push-up, pull-away, push-up, and minus lens method in terms of yung endpoint nila? Ang sabi dito sa minus lens method, just like your AOA, total blur ang kailangan natin ma-achieve. Meaning, kapag present natin si 20/20 row sa reduced Snellen or your J3 as in your AOA, kailangan kapag nag-report sa inyo si patient ng blur, you ask your patient to blink. Kung ito ay na-clear after blink, you need to increase more minus lens kasi hindi pa yung total blur. So only after the blink at hindi na makita ni patient yung words doon sa J3 nyo, tsaka nyo isa-stop yung pag-add ng minus lens. Paano yung push-up or Lunder's method? Ano ba ang endpoint natin? Total blur or first blur? It is first blur. So kung first blur siya, hindi sila same na endpoint ni push-up and minus lens. It could have varying na results. But nevertheless, these are our tests that we could perform in order to determine subjectively ang accommodation ng patients. For the push-up and pull-away method, for our push-up method, the distance from the target to the spectacle plane was measured with a millimeter ruler and converted to diameters. Of course, hindi naman kailangan millimeter ang ating conversion. Kung meron tayong by inches, by centimeters, as long as you know how to convert for the power, then you can do as such. Endpoint is first light sustained blur, which was considered to be the point that the target would not be cleared after through 2 or 3 seconds of viewing. Pull-away, the distance between the spectacle plane and the point of clarity, meaning hindi blur ang ating endpoint tulad ng push-up and minus lens. Ito ay clarity naman kasi ang testing natin from the plane, spectacle plane, papalayo kung kailan siya naging clear. Minus lens, 250 diopters, plus the amount of minus lens power added. You are currently using yung mga improvised na NPA targets. So we have our standard na rough rule. So itong rough rule na ito is basically the same. Ang kailangan lang natin is i-move yung ating cube going closer up until mag-first sustained blur. Kapag ka naman tayo ay mag-pull away from the spectacle plane, papalayo. So this rough rule could also do your NPC. So di ba, NPC naman natin ay bring and recovery, double and single. So with the same equipment, maaari mo siyang gawin. Are you using this optogram?
One.
Okay, so since that is the case, let us have one partner na representative para sa ating demonstration. Mr. Vascos. And may mag-volunteer ba? Sige na, Pierre. Katabi ka na niya. Ako po.
Doc, yung push-up, pull-away test, with RX ba yun?
Good question. Push up and pull away. When to do it with or without na correction. Kung ang patient nyo walang habitual correction, provided ang VA niya ay J3 or clearer, then you do it without correction. Ngayon, kung unaided, J4 or poorer ang kanyang VA, hindi nyo siya pwedeng gawin. Hihintayin nyo matapos nyo CVE number 7 bago kayo makapag-proceed with NPA and yung pull away method natin. Ngayon, kung ang patient natin parehas clear yung vision with and without the prescription, initially, ang ginagawa natin sa clinic is we do it with correction. With correction, again, provided J3 is clear, J2, and J1. So ngayon, meron tayo N5, N8, and so on. Ang target natin ay clinician. Anong target natin siya? Nagawa mo yan. Instruct your patient. Saan mo ilalagay yung kay patient?
May RX.
With
G4 cooler.
assuming
Hindi pwede
na
ganun. Kailangan
patient
i-VT7
ay
ulit.
J3 or clear. Either kayo yung kahawak. Pwede nyo naman ikahawak sa pasyente para hindi nyo masyado na ipupush yung ating breather. So, alalayan lang ni patient.
Bago lang
Wait,
sa
so,
namin ng kapatid
so,
ko eh.
so, so,
So,
RX ba
move
natin?
ni either
Ay, with
use
RX
observation to move the cube or in this case, si examiner mo na yung move. Ang instruction ay
A new one. Yes. Hindi naman siya 2020 with the glasses.
Hindi talaga siya nagto-2020. Hindi talaga nagto-2020 yung kapatid ko. Basta yung RX.
First,
So, kung ito ay done
sustained blur.
OS o tulad ng ating NPA. So, ang sabi ni clinician, or sabi ni patient, ganito na kalapit ang ating target. So, in this case, meron siyang measurements na naka-align dito. Baka pwede tayo umupo. Meron siyang mga lines dito indicating our measurements. So, dito centimeter, meron tayo dito in diopter na na-converted. So, we'll just do it in centimeters kasi yun naman yung usual natin ginagawa. So, in this case, meron siyang 1 centimeter. This is just for our example. Kung 1 centimeter siya, paano mo siya i-convert na accommodation?
Saan ba yung CM? 100.
100.
Ah, hindi 100.
Pag CM mo
Hindi 100 diopters yun.
1 over F eh.
Really? Yeah.
1 over F. So, pag CM, 100 over F.
Maraming salamat.
100 over D. Like, damn. Yeah.
Equal at the back. Sir Bulu. Kasi we want to know kung
Picturean niyo si Pierre. Picturean niyo.
I think this should be fine. Say 100 divided by
20.
20 diopters are initially. Kasi 1 is here. So still not 5.
yung convergence. Convergent First blur. First blur, di ba? Wait,
Oo.
first sustained blur kasi sa dito. Ano yun sa nag-blur, nag-slight blur? Yun na yun.
Oh, yun.
Ano ba? Kanina ka ba dyan?
Hindi kasi...
Is that Bernie?
Yan.
Ay, sino to? Boyfriend ko? Actually?
No.
Ay, ni Aika pala, sorry. Bakit yung mga magjowa naka-blue?
Hindi. May ano yan. Ito kasi mga may birthday. At kami mga hindi may birthday.
Yawa.
Ang recording natin is yung measurement. This is
Anong corn? Hindi, ako corn.
Seven.
It's not like this. You make this smaller. You make the
Yung
circle.
Paano natin i-convert? Seven.
Press. Yan. Yan.
Ba't ang pangit yung likod? I don't like the color.
Kaligyo kayo.
May credit po.
Seven.
Seven.
Ganyan yung corner is like,
14.3 long. Bali 14.3.
do you like,
One more. Stir ka man.
Wala ko pa rin.
3 trials dapat po.
Hindi. Alam mo. Hindi koloran mo. Koloran mo.
I'm gonna,
I'll
think ko
put
na
this
lang.
on your face. You can hold it. And
Pwede ka
then,
rin mag-ano.
Look at the target.
Kailangan.
Focus
Yeah.
on it. I will... Lalapit ko to sa mukha mo. Sabihin mo sa akin pag lumabo. Okay? Focus ka lang ha. Hindi mo pag lumabo.
Nakakatakot. Anong ginagawa?
Nakakatawa si Randy.
Hindi niya alam yun.
8 centimeters na to.
Compute natin ang minimum at maximum.
Ba't pinapost mo ulit?
Minimum.
Kasi malapit.
Hofstetters.
Aww. Hindi naman. David, gitna.
Ayun! 15
No, I mean,
425. Ano ang
vertically.
age ni pasyente? 21 daw. Ano ang minimum natin? Kung 21 years old si patient.
11.4 times 31.
Minimum is 9.75 at
Maximum, 25 minus 0.4 times 21. Mami,
Ilan sa'yo, Krista?
16.6. So, kung hindi naman excessive or hindi siya hindi makakaroon ng impression na may abnormal excess, if it's not in yung receded na value, then hindi naman din siya insufficiency. Ngayon, let us do our pull-away method. Zach. Pull-away. Si patient, para ma-compare natin si push-up siya kasi
Ay, hindi.
ang sabi dito, distance between the spectral plane and
Yeah.
point of vacuum. So, ang starting point natin is nakamalapit kay pasyente.
First year na ba? Report ka lang ako pag malapit.
Infinix.
Buti hindi pa nababasa.
But you can do this with your normal na improvised